What's up YouTube, it's Chris from Chris Glides and Low Rise, and today I'm about to show you how to install the Advanblack center console for the 21 Road Glide. It is a limited, so we're gonna see how we're gonna work around this. What's up everybody, it's Chris from Chris Glides and Low Rise. One of the things that I wanted to change out on this bike, or actually one of the things that I consider leaving on this bike since it's a limited, is the center console. The center console has a communicator option that came with the bike that you can plug in. But since I bought the communicator Bluetooth device from Harley-Davidson, I don't need that plug-in anymore. So this is the only indicator that this bike is actually a limited, other than the lower fairings that have the cooler fan and radiator device inside of the lowers. But other than that, I can remove the cane tour pack, and I have the long fairing in the back and the long bags, and it looks just like a special. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to leave this on there. But today I'm gonna go ahead and remove it, and in order to put this part on, the new center console, I am gonna have to remove the wiring for this piece, and I don't think it'll be that difficult. So unboxing the center console from Advanblack. It comes wrapped and packaged really good. It's taped up, and it looks nice. It's gonna be going on there looking just like that. And just a few moments after I remove that piece, it comes with the center console. It comes with additional hardware that has to be assembled on the back. And it comes with a gas cap, of course. The gas cap will be flush mount. There it is there. So that's what I'll be installing, and be back. All right, so these are all the parts that it comes with. It comes with some rubber pieces that are gonna go into there. It's gonna have the 2 screws, the bar, and this is gonna mount to the screw for the front. And those 2 screws are gonna go back here. So pretty self-explanatory on how it goes. All right, so just like that, I put the rubber strips on and started from the back, went up to the front. This is gonna go this direction, and we're gonna put some Loctite on the screws. All right, so once you have your seat off, you're gonna remove that bolt right there with a 3/8 socket, and that screw up there with a T25. All right, so once I got that removed, I went on and just cleaned up the area here some, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this on really quick so I can put this gas cap back on. Just something to show you, the other one had clips under here, so you can keep the wires clipped to the center console. This one doesn't. Doesn't mean you can't fabricate something from the original part. So you could probably actually remove this, and no, you can't, because it's stuck right there, so it's not coming off. So I'm sitting this down because I still have to figure out how to remove the communicator wire off of there by doing something other than cutting it. So I'm gonna put the 2 screws back in, and I'm gonna put the gas cap in now, actually. Here it is. And came kind of ugly like that. So let me pause and figure this out. It's not rocket science. There we go. I'm gonna get this on better. All right, so I got that on, and it's looking pretty good. And here's the old one. I don't know why I was thinking about trying to disconnect it from there when the wire disconnects right there. It's easy. Just go in there, unplug it, and then you have the whole center console ready to store. So when that was plugged in, the way to unplug it was you push down on the tab there, and then it just slides. It just slides right out. So I'm gonna use the original box that this came with. I'm gonna put it in there. I'll package it up nice and neat later on, just in case I wanna put it back on the bike. And that's it. Put the seats back on, and see how it's gonna look. So I have the center console on. I have the one part of the seat back on. I was wondering if I was gonna take the tour pack off and then ride the bike without the tour pack, but I don't know. Maybe I'll save that for another day. It's pretty easy to disconnect. All I have to do is take the saddlebags off and remove the 2 bolts on this side and 2 bolts on the other side. This comes off. You can see it just unplugs off from right there. Then I have to just tuck this away, and I ride with the solo seat on and the big fairing. And so that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video. Thank you guys for watching Chris Glides and Low Rides, and let me know how you like this center console versus the old one that had the chrome piece there, chrome bezel, and the big giant cap and the communicator. I think it's more sleek, and I think it has more of the look of I don't want to say CVO, but it has a more custom look. And it's looking like I'm taking all the original Harley parts off. I don't even know if it's anything Harley on the bike left. It's a few pieces, but a lot of the cosmetics that have been added on here by Advanblack has replaced all my original Harley stuff. So I guess the good thing is all my Harley stuff's downstairs in the basement and can be sold or put back on. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Chris Glides and Low Rides. Comment, like, subscribe. Appreciate you.